Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below your favorite altcoin. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today, it's been a while since I last posted and huge crazy gains since my last video. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys what's been going on. Specifically, let's go with Tesla stock for now. And I drew these lines and I kept them since my last video. Nothing has been changed so far. I called that, we're gonna get another high based on the ascending triangle. We're gonna get a high of maybe 530, right, in the next coming weeks. This was my last video, and since then it just broke like crazy. So forget about the 530 mark. We hit 675, right? And I went through a crazy bull run. And what I did was I sold mine at the top because the RSIs was way too high for a while now, actually. If you're to look at the PE ratio of Tesla, you can see that we are at 1,395. This is way higher than any other stocks that you would see. Like if you were to look at Apple stock right now and look at their PE ratio, it's around 38. So all companies have their averages when it comes to PE ratios over the course of a few years. Now, 38 is normally considered a bit high for Apple. But if you were to look at Tesla specifically, it's at 1,395. Once I saw this, that's how I knew I wanted to sell. There's no way I was going to hold any longer than this. Now, I'm not even going to adjust any of the lines at this point because right now this is pure speculation, hoping that Tesla can hit their marks in the next coming years. Now, I feel like the EV market, we're going to go through a similar tech bubble that we had back in the year 2000. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll give you a quick example. So this is Intel stock. This is where we are at right now. And this is back in the year 2000, right? Over here. Now, this up to here, this is 20 years. And 20 years, we still haven't reached the tech bubble high that Intel had, right? And I told you guys that inflation literally eats up on, people's gains over the years. So since it hasn't even got to the high of 75 or whatever it was back in the year 2000, basically means you're losing even more money because over the course of every year you're losing 2 to 3% of the buying power. And I feel like Tesla, including the entire EV market, is going to go through something very similar, where this whole thing is basically speculation and there's no fundamentals to be put in place. People are just hoping in the next coming years Tesla is going to go through with all their promises. But the same could have been said by people back in the year 1999, based on the tech bubble of 2000. So I just want to caution Tesla bag holders right now, do whatever you want. A lot of people bought very early, so they don't really care if the price does go down a little bit. But for the people that are joining in right now, this is just dumb money going into the market. Now forget Tesla for now. Let's go to Bitcoin, which has seen huge gains since our last video, and it hit 2,400 very recently. Now there's a lot of logarithmic versus Bitcoin graphs online, so you can go ahead and look at them yourselves. But everyone does indicate that we're above the buy-in mark regarding Bitcoin, and we're slowly approaching the selling points. Now, majority of them do say that 30K is a conservative all-time high for Bitcoin right now, and once it does hit that mark, you might want to start selling, portions by portions. Now, if you want to be more liberal, those graphs do also indicate that 70K is also a possibility, including 100K. But 70 to 100K is a more extreme case, and it's highly unlikely to happen before the next fall. So what it means is that Bitcoin technically can hit the 70 to 100K mark, but around the 30,000 mark, we're going to see a possible drop before going back up. So what I'm doing, I'm just dollar cost averaging, buying consecutively every month at the same time, regardless of the price. That way I can still buy on average over the course of the next couple of years. And I feel like Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general are here to stay. You can pour your money into an altcoin, specifically Ethereum. If you're to go on CoinMarketCap, you can see Ethereum placed against Bitcoin and the ratios. And if you're to look at it, Bitcoin is the gold line where Ethereum is the green. If you look at the recent dates, we can see that the price of Ethereum against Bitcoin does get lower and lower. This just means that Bitcoin has increased so much in value that it kind of made a spread away from the price of Ethereum, indicating that with your current Bitcoin holdings, you can now buy even cheaper Ethereum. Now in the 2017 bull market, we saw that once Bitcoin did hit a standstill, the altcoins did jump up. And that's what we can see in this area over here. As you can see, the green line did go above the gold, indicating that Ethereum was a cheap buy, specifically at this point in time. So this was around the January mark. So again, I don't suggest you guys to do this as I don't really like altcoins that much. But just to simplify things for you, you'd basically want to use your Bitcoin to buy the altcoins that have a much bigger spread. And as long as the green line is above the gold, it means that with your current Bitcoin holdings, you can buy more of that altcoin, which is in theory cheaper. So where do I see Bitcoin going for now? I feel like we're going to hit the 30K mark, which is, pretty reasonable. So just be careful what you guys plan to do in, your next few steps. All right, so that's all I have for today. I know it's a bit slow. I didn't really use a lot of technicals only because I'm slowly getting back into it. It's been a while since my last posting. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.